I was just out ripping the Ruckus, you know. I found this on the side of the road about 4 miles from my house. Threw it haphazardly on the floorboard, rode home with it. Got it home, found out it's locked up. This is worth putting a top end on. This thing is worth some money. It's locked up tight. It's not like just stuck. You can't spin it either way. Gonna pull the plug, throw some oil in it, and just crank on this a little bit with some channel locks. See what I can do. Got it full automatic transmission fluid. It's real low viscosity. It'll squeeze its way down in the little scorers in the cylinder and hopefully lubricate it enough to where I can force it free with a pair of channel locks. Say, oh Kyle, take it apart, try and get the cylinder off. That cylinder will not come off. There's no shot. Found it in the garbage. We're gonna do this. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Motion. Freed up. Will it have compression? Will it start? Probably not. There's definitely hard spots. It's likely the bottom end is ruined as well here, but you never know until you try. We're going to get it spinning free enough and then throw the recoil back on it. Yeah, it shouldn't have that catch there. All right. Go ahead and throw this recoil back onto it and give it a bunch of pulls. See what it does. One of many moments of truth here. Going to try and spin it over a bunch and see if it kind of loosens up. Probably won't. Shove my little finger over the compression or over the plug hole here. See if it. This thing might actually start. Okay. This though is not going to do us much good. I'm going to go clean this up in the wire wheel. Pull it over a bunch of times, try and get the remainder of that transmission fluid out, then throw in our brand new spark plug. Smooth as silk. I've seen them when the bottom ends go with no plug in it, there's just a hard spot, you know. If I'm pulling this over real slow, there'd be a, yeah. Get a little bit of the good stuff, ethanol free, 25 to 1. 2-stroke oil down its throat here. Ah. Darn it. It's actually got quite a bit of compression. Will it prime? You gotta be kidding me. It's actually priming. Okay. Throttle on. Choke on. You're kidding me. Half choke. How long did that take? 10 minutes? Thing runs great. It's just very smoky because of the transmission fluid. We'll let that burn off. Let that burn out of there. Now, I know a lot of y'all are saying that thing's ruined internally. It's not going to last. I found that blower locked up just like that one when I was 12 years old. Have been using it ever since.